Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another questions of the MCQ in the chapter development. The first questions, what is per capita income? The option is the income per persons, income per family, C income per earning person, D income per month. The right answer per capita income is identify income per persons. So what is the income of the per person? The next question, for comparisons between the countries, the options are A, total income is useful measures, B, total income is not a such useful measures, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. So according to the options, for the comparison of the country, total income is not a such useful measure for the comparison between the countries. There is another method which are given, that is HDI, Human Development Index. The next question, what is average income? Average income is, the options are A, total income of the country divided by total population, B, total income of the country is divided by the rich people, C, total income of the country divided by the working population, D, none of the above. The right answer is when the total income of the country is divided by the total population. जो टोटल इनकम है हमारी कंट्री की, उसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं बाय द टोटल पॉपुलेशन. तो नेक्स्ट, विच इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट? इनमें से कौन सा कॉमन मेथड है फॉर मेजरिंग इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट? द ऑप्शंस आर ए, प्रॉफिट लॉस, बी, इनकम, सी, सेल, डी, इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज इनकम. The next question, which is the one factor on which our life depend? A, employment, B, security of work, C, money or material thing that one can buy with it, D, freedom. The right answer is money or material thing that one can buy with it. The next question, if women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make? The options are their dignity in the household and society decrease, B, there is no difference, C, no dignity, D, their dignity in the household and society increase. The right answer is option D, means if the women are engaged in paid work, the difference is that make the dignity in the household and society increase. The next question, what considered to be one of the most important attributes when we compare country at level of development? The options are A, industrial development, B, resources of the country, C, income, D, import and export. The right answer is C, that is income. The next question, more income means? The options are A, average out of the needs of the people, B, more of all the things that human being needed, C, no effect on the common man, D, more business. The right answer is more of the thing that human being needed. And the last question, dash is the total income of the country divided by its total population. The options are per capita income, B, gross income, C, net income, D, total income. The right answer is per capita income. Thank you.